that body getting snatched, okay? And you look good in the process. Hey, it's leleGLAMXO, and I have another video for you guys. This time it's in collaboration with, as you can see it, ICONI Leggings. I have their Instagram right here. And this is also an at-home booty workout, girl. Yes. We're gonna do a try-on haul. The woman who actually is the CEO of the company reached out to me. Just her message is really beautiful. She's also one of the essential workers. She is a part of the military, as well as her company has a non-profit where they clothe kids in Denver. I love the fact that this company is selfless. She's an essential worker like myself. I am a registered nurse during this whole, craziness that's happening in this world. But you know what? We gotta have faith. You have to have faith, and we just have to get through it. But on another note, I am going to go ahead and jump into this video. If you like these types of videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so you know when I post new videos, because that's the only way that YouTube notifies you. When I post, turn the bell on, okay? I'm also having a giveaway, so stay tuned for that. It's until April 7th. I'm giving away $75 to either your Cash App or Amazon purchase. Yes, so if you like these types of videos, stay tuned. You know your girl loves workout apparel. I was actually going through my workout drawer. I actually have to sit down and do a legging try-on haul pretty soon. I just wanted to get this one out there because we need to be working out at home. That's what we have to do at this point in time. The gyms are locked down. You still want to actually get up, get dressed in your workout apparel, still feel motivated. Why not put on some cute little set? I'm gonna go ahead and try on the first item. Actually, I have it on now. The top, as you can see, is very, very supportive. It has a really nice padding in the side, and this padding actually gives you a little bit of a oomph, as well as it gives you support. I would say, obviously, you would have to size up if you have a larger bust, but I am I'm not very big. I think in Victoria's Secret, they're lying to us. They lying. I'm a 32C, so damn lie. But my bust is on the smaller side. So, this is actually a small top. The bottom is also small. Do the squat proof. Yes, squat proof. These are full length. They go all the way down. Matching top. I also got the set in gray. I would say that I'm going to talk about the red ones first before I get into the gray ones. These are high compression. So these will snatch you in. Yes, you'll be snatched all the way in when you wear these leggings, okay? The top is definitely keeps the girls very supported. I would imagine even if you have a larger bust, you would still feel supported because the padding inside really helps to kind of hold everything in, and nothing really moves and jiggles around too terribly much, because I'm talking and moving and shaking and moving and things still staying pretty much in place. Nothing's just popping out. Yeah, ICONI leggings. I think you did that with with this set. You definitely did that. I love the color. I don't usually do red. That's not usually my color, but I feel like it is. I feel like red is my color. What you think? Definitely check out the description box down below because I do have a discount code for you guys. It has 20% off. Yeah, I gotta look out for y'all. Not only does this company have a non-profit, but they're also giving us a 20% discount. Why not? So you can look cute in your at-home workouts. I actually want you guys to do this workout that I have in the next clip. Film it, do little Instagram stories or whatever, and repost. I inspire you. Getting up every morning, putting on your workout clothes, especially a cute set like from ICONI or any set that you have, and just working out makes you feel so good. Even if you're not able to get into the gym and do what you normally do, I just always, when I first started working out, I would always buy myself new sets just to keep myself feeling fresh and cute in the gym. But the same thing applies for at home. You want to look good at home. You don't want to wear big old baggy t-shirt, thin leggings with holes in them. You know what I mean? You want something that supports you because you are still working out. You may not be lifting crazy weight like you normally would, but you're still working out. You're still trying to get that body snatched up, because praying to God in heaven that this ends by sundress season, summer, you want to make sure that body getting snatched, okay? And you look good in the process. You look good in the process.
Ryan Little.
Yoga.
Little.
Yoga.
Ah, bitch hurt. Whoa. Show. That fucking hurt. Damn. Damn.
Dancing.